Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video we have to resolve one particular error that I'm facing whenever I'm trying to run that particular project underwater image enhancement. So let's open terminal here and you have to just write Python and run the Python file that is underwater image enhancement. So got that error, value error numpy.ndarray size change may indicate binary incompatibility, expected 88 from C header, got 80 from Py object. Okay, so in that we have to change the numpy version. So first you have to check that Python is installed in that system or not. So just click on the Windows key and then write edit system environment variable. So just click on it, then click on environment variable or double click on the path. So you can check Python 3.8 and Python 3.8 script folder is already there. If you want to just confirm, then copy that location and click on OK and close, minimize and paste that location here, then enter. So see Python 3.8 is already there and script folder is also there in the system. So let's go back. Now what we have to do? We have to change the version of numpy. First have to check the version of numpy. So just write pip show numpy. Then enter. Library name numpy and version 1.19.5. Okay, let's change the version. So we have to uninstall the numpy. Pip uninstall numpy. Okay, then enter. After that, we have to just click on the Y for yes. We have to uninstall. And then we have to write the another version of numpy. So write pip install numpy is equal to 1.20.1. Then enter. We have to upgrade the version from 1.19.5 to 1.20.1. So successfully installed 1.20.1. And if your project not working in that particular version, then you can download one more version. Let's check out with that version. Press the upper key, then enter. Okay, so you can see my system is working in that particular version of numpy 1.20.1. Let's you can see my project is working fine in that version and it got resolved the error. And if you're facing any error in your system, then just let me know in the comment section or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will provide the contact link in description. Also check the version of numpy, whatever we have installed. So just write pip show numpy, then enter. Okay, so currently version is 1.20.1. This will be the error. Value error numpy.ndarray size change may indicate binary incompatibility. Expected 88 from C header. Okay, and this will be the error. And we have solved that particular error from that command. We have to uninstall the numpy first. Okay, then install that particular version 1.20.1. That will resolve the error. And let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're searching enterprise project ideas related to computer science domain, then you can just contact us on WhatsApp. I will share that particular project list. And we are working on multiple domains like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, and many more. This is our contact number. We have developed those projects and you can just check it out with the title. If you click on that particular title, sixth number, then it will open the YouTube video. Here you can check the YouTube video of that particular project and those are the software and hardware requirement. Let's go back. Let's check out any other project like American Sign Language to text conversion. So just click on that particular title and it will give the description about project. And if you click on the play video button, then it will play the video and you can check out the whole project and they're working. So it will open the laptop front camera and show the alphabet.
C.
It will pronounce the letter
C.
and we can also add that
C.
character.
C.
Okay, let's scroll down. Programming language, library, dataset, and methodology. These are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries. You can check out our website as well. Let's go back. Now let's end this video here. We'll again continue with next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.